Hello viewers, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 2, the earth as a globe. Look at the picture. This is a picture of a globe. The globe is a very small model of our earth. The globe gives us an idea of the shape of the earth, that the earth is round. You can see here some thin lines have also been drawn on the globe. These lines help us to locate different places on the globe. This hollow round model has a rod passing through it. This rod is called the axis of the globe. Actually, the axis is an imaginary line passing north to south through the middle of the earth. So, a globe is a ball-shaped object with a map of the world on it. This map shows all the land and water area on our earth. The land areas have been shown brown, the water areas have been shown sky blue. Almost two-thirds of the total area of the earth is covered with water and the remaining one-third of the earth is land. Look at the map. This is our world map. From the map of the world, you will find that the land areas are not linked to each other. Actually, they are not continuous, right? The water areas fall in between them. These water areas have divided the land surface of the earth into 7 large continuous areas. These are known as continents. The land area of the world consists of 7 continents. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. The continents of Asia and Europe form one landmass. It is known as Eurasia. You can see that the continents have divided the entire water area into 5 big divisions. These divisions are called oceans. The 5 oceans are the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The ocean contains 97% of all the water on the earth. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Apart from this land and water areas, there is a coat of air all around the earth. Hence, we see that the earth has land, water and air on it. Look at the map. This is the map of Asia, which is the biggest continent. Asia has many countries. India, our country, is one of them. It lies in the southern part of Asia. When we stand facing a map hanging on a wall, then the upper end is the north and the lower end is the south. To the right is the east and to the left is the west. Right? So students, here I close the chapter for today. Thank you. Have a good day.